Most barndominiums look exactly the same. Standard gable roofs, white siding, black trim. But a tiny group of homeowners is doing something completely radical, and people are literally stopping their cars to stare. I'm talking about barrel roof barndominiums. Curved ceilings that soar overhead like ancient Roman architecture. Natural light flooding in from angles you've never seen before, and a design so unique that it makes every other barndominium in your county look boring. After spending weeks researching costs, builders, and real-world examples for 2026, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know. The good, the bad, and the surprisingly expensive parts nobody talks about. If you're considering building something truly different, hit that subscribe button right now because you're going to want to follow along for more honest content about alternative housing. And stick with me until the end because I'm going to reveal the actual cost difference between a barrel roof and a standard roof. And trust me, the number might shock you. What is a barrel roof barndominium? Let's start with the basics. A barrel roof, also called a barrel vault roof, is a curved roof design that looks like someone cut a barrel or cylinder in half lengthwise and placed it on top of your building. When you're standing inside, the ceiling curves up and over you in a smooth, continuous arc. It's the same architectural principle the Romans used over 2,000 years ago in structures like the Colosseum, except now we're building it with modern steel, engineered wood, or curved metal panels. In a barndominium context, this means you're taking that classic metal building concept and adding a dramatic curved roofline instead of the traditional peaked or gable roof most people build. The result is absolutely stunning. From the outside, your barndominium looks like nothing else in the neighborhood. From the inside, you get soaring ceilings that create an incredible sense of space and grandeur. The barrel vault design is unique because it distributes weight differently than a standard roof. The curved shape channels forces down the sides, creating a strong structure. However, and this is critical, unlike ancient stone arches that relied purely on compression, modern metal and wood barrel roofs create what engineers call outward thrust. The weight of that curved roof pushes the tops of your walls outward. This means builders must use heavy-duty tie rods, structural columns, or reinforced buttresses to prevent the walls from bowing out under the weight of the curve. This engineering requirement is one reason why barrel roofs cost more than standard construction. Why barrel roofs are gaining popularity in 2026. Here's what's happening in the barndominium world right now. According to 2026 design trends, homeowners are moving away from cookie-cutter builds and embracing architectural features that make a statement. The modern barndominium market has evolved from simple agricultural buildings into sophisticated, design-forward homes. Barrel vault ceilings are showing up in high-end barndominiums across Texas, the Midwest, and even coastal areas where people want something that stands out. The trend toward dramatic rooflines and tall ceilings has been building for years, but 2026 is seeing a specific surge in curved roof designs. Why? Because people are tired of the same old thing. When you drive through a new development and every house looks identical, a barrel roof barndominium makes you stop and look twice. It's architecture with personality. Interior designers love barrel vaults because the continuous curve creates a soft, flowing effect that adds instant elegance to any room. It works beautifully in great rooms, dining areas, entryways, and even master bedrooms. The curved ceiling draws your eye upward and makes spaces feel larger and more luxurious than they actually are. The real costs of building a barrel roof barndominium in 2026. All right, let's talk money because this is where things get real. Building a barrel roof barndominium costs more than a standard barndominium, and I'm going to give you honest numbers based on 2026 pricing. First, let me clarify the difference between shell costs and turnkey costs because this trips up a lot of people. A shell or kit, which is just the basic structure with siding and roof but no interior finishes, runs $60 to $90 per square foot. That's just the weatherproof exterior. You still need to add foundation, insulation, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, interior walls, flooring, kitchen, bathrooms, and all finishes. For a complete turnkey barndominium in 2026, meaning move-in ready with everything finished, you're looking at $120 to $220 per square foot, depending on your location and finish level. That's your baseline for standard construction. Now add a barrel roof. The curved roof construction is more complex than a standard gable or gambrel roof. You need specialized roof trusses, curved beams, or custom metalwork. The structural engineering to handle that outward thrust I mentioned earlier adds cost. The labor is more intensive because not every contractor knows how to build curved structures properly. Here's what that means for your wallet. A barrel vault roof typically costs 15 to 35% more than a traditional pitched roof. If your standard roof would cost $30,000, expect a barrel vault roof to run $34,500 to $40,500 or more. That's an additional $4,500 to $10,500 just for the roof structure. For a complete 2,000 square foot barndominium, Here's a realistic breakdown. Standard turnkey build at $150 per square foot equals $300,000 total. With a barrel roof design, you're looking at $170 to $200 per square foot, which puts you at $340,000 to $400,000. That's a $40,000 to $100,000 premium for the barrel roof feature. Why so much more? First, the roof trusses or curved beams must be engineered specifically for your design. These aren't off-the-shelf components. Second, installation requires contractors with specialized knowledge. Not every framing crew can handle curved construction. Third, the materials themselves cost more because curved metal panels, custom flashing, tie rods, and reinforced structural supports all carry premium pricing. Fourth, you need that extra engineering for the outward thrust management, which means structural calculations and potentially an engineer's stamp on your plans. If you're going with a metal barrel roof, which is common in barndominiums, you'll need curved metal panels or standing seam metal roofing bent to match your radius. This custom fabrication adds cost. Some builders use structural insulated panels or engineered wood products curved to the proper radius, and those aren't cheap either. Let me give you a real-world example. A 40 by 60 barndominium with 2,400 square feet and a standard gable roof might cost $288,000 to $360,000, turnkey at $120 to $150 per square foot, depending on finishes. The same building with a barrel vault roof over the main living area could run $360,000 to $480,000 at $150 to $200 per square foot. You're paying for architectural drama, and it comes at a price. The design advantages that make it worth considering. Now let's talk about why people are willing to pay that premium. The barrel vault ceiling creates visual impact that's hard to match with standard construction. When someone walks into your great room and sees that curved ceiling soaring 16, 18, or even 20 feet overhead, it's an unforgettable first impression. The curved design allows for massive windows at the ends of the barrel vault. These are called clear-story windows, and they flood your interior with natural light from angles a standard roof can't achieve. Imagine your living room bathed in sunlight streaming in from high windows that follow the curve of your ceiling. It's spectacular. Acoustics are another unexpected benefit. The curved surface distributes sound in interesting ways. Some people use barrel vault rooms for music spaces, home theaters, or gathering areas specifically because the sound quality is unique. The arch shape naturally enhances certain frequencies and creates a richer audio experience. The sense of space is incredible. Even in a modestly sized room, a barrel vault ceiling makes everything feel larger and more open. The continuous curve eliminates the visual breaks you get with flat ceilings and creates a seamless flow from wall to wall. From a design flexibility standpoint, you can integrate the barrel vault over your entire barndominium or use it selectively over key spaces. Many builders use a barrel vault ceiling over the great room and dining area while keeping standard ceilings in bedrooms and utility spaces. This gives you the wow factor where it counts while controlling costs in less visible areas. The honest challenges you need to know. Time for the reality check. Barrel roof barndominiums come with legitimate challenges that you need to understand before you commit. Finding qualified contractors is challenge number one. Not every builder has experience with curved roof construction. You'll need to specifically seek out contractors who have done barrel vaults before or are willing to learn. This can limit your options and potentially increase labor costs because specialized skills command premium rates. Insulation is more complicated and more expensive than most people realize. The curved surface makes it difficult to use standard batt insulation. You'll likely need spray foam insulation, which costs $1.50 to $5 per square foot of surface area. Here's the key thing people miss. Insulation is charged by the surface area of the walls and ceiling, not your floor square footage. Because a barrel roof has a curved surface area and a much higher peak, the actual roof surface area is significantly larger than the building footprint. For a 2,400 square foot barndominium with a barrel vault ceiling, you could easily have 3,500 to 4,000 square feet of ceiling surface area that needs insulation. That means insulation alone could run $10,000 to $18,000 or more. While spray foam provides excellent thermal performance, it's a significant expense that catches people off guard. Maintenance and repairs can be trickier. Changing light fixtures, painting, or doing any ceiling work in a room with a 20-foot curved ceiling isn't simple. You'll need scaffolding or specialized lifts. This is something most people don't think about until they need to replace a bulb 18 feet overhead. Roofing material choices are somewhat limited. While you can use metal, certain types of shingles, or even specialized materials designed for curved applications, you can't just use any roofing product. Some materials don't bend well or aren't designed for curved installations. Water drainage requires careful engineering. The curved surface needs proper flashing, gutters positioned correctly, and drainage systems designed for the specific radius of your roof. If not done right, you could have water infiltration issues. Permitting and engineering can be more involved. Some building departments require additional structural engineering certifications for curved roof designs. This adds both time and cost to your project. You might need a structural engineer to sign off on your plans specifically addressing the outward thrust and how it's being managed, which could cost $2,000 to $5,000. Resale value is unpredictable. While unique architecture can be a selling point, it can also limit your buyer pool. Some people will love the barrel roof design, others will see it as too unusual or worry about maintenance. In conservative markets, unique designs can actually hurt resale value. Interior design considerations for barrel vault ceilings. Let's talk about what it's actually like to live with a barrel vault ceiling. The interior design possibilities are both exciting and challenging. Furniture placement works best when you embrace the curved space rather than fighting it. Seating arrangements that create conversation areas in the center of the room work beautifully. You're not trying to push furniture against walls the way you might in a standard room. Lighting becomes a focal point. Pendant lights suspended at different heights along the curve create visual interest. Track lighting can follow the arched chandeliers positioned at the apex of the vault make dramatic statements. Many homeowners use uplighting to wash the curved ceiling with light, which emphasizes the architectural feature. Wall treatments at the ends of the barrel vault offer creative opportunities. Large windows, stone accent walls, or dramatic artwork all work well because the curved ceiling frames whatever you place there. Color choices matter more than you might think. Light colors on the curved ceiling make the space feel even more open and airy. Darker colors can create a more intimate, cocoon-like atmosphere. Many designers use contrasting colors between the curved ceiling and the end walls to emphasize the barrel vault shape. Exposed beams or structural elements can be incredibly beautiful in a barrel vault design. Some builders leave curved steel beams exposed as architectural features. Others use faux wood beams to add rustic charm while maintaining the clean curve of the vault. Real-world examples and builder insights. In researching this topic, I found that barrel vault barndominiums exist on a spectrum. On one end, you have subtle barrel vaults with gentle curves over portions of the home. On the other end, you have dramatic full barrel designs where the entire structure is one continuous curved roof. The most popular approach in 2026 is the hybrid design. Builders create a barrel vault ceiling over the main living area, which might be 30 to 40 feet long, while using standard roof construction over bedrooms, garage, and utility spaces. This gives you the architectural impact where guests see it most while keeping overall costs more reasonable. Some high-end custom barndominiums are using barrel vault skylights or glass barrel vault sections. These transparent curved sections flood the interior with natural light and create stunning visual effects. However, curved glass or polycarbonate barrel vaults are significantly more expensive than solid roof construction. One builder I researched mentioned that barrel vault construction adds approximately 3 to 4 weeks to the build timeline compared to standard construction. The specialized work simply takes longer, and you can't rush curved construction without risking quality issues. Material selection has a huge impact on both appearance and cost. A steel-framed barrel vault with metal roofing creates an industrial, modern aesthetic. An engineered wood barrel vault with traditional roofing materials gives you a more organic, warm feeling. Glass and steel combinations deliver contemporary elegance, but at premium prices. Who should build a barrel roof barndominium? This design isn't for everyone, so let's be clear about who benefits most from a barrel roof barndominium. This is perfect for you if you value unique architecture over conformity, have the budget to pay 15 to 35% more for your roof and 15 to 30% more overall, want a dramatic great room or entertaining space, appreciate the aesthetic of curved architecture, plan to stay in the home long-term, are building in an area that appreciates unique designs, or have access to contractors experienced with curved construction. This might not be for you if you're on a tight budget and need maximum square footage for minimum cost. Plan to resell within a few years in a conservative market, prefer traditional architecture, have concerns about finding contractors, want the simplest possible construction process, or are building in an HOA with strict architectural guidelines. The barrel roof barndominium is a statement. It says you're willing to invest in design, you appreciate architectural uniqueness, and you want your home to be memorable. For the right person in the right situation, it's absolutely worth the investment. Practical next steps if you're interested. If this design appeals to you, here's how to move forward intelligently. First, find and interview contractors who have actually built barrel vault structures. Ask to see photos of completed projects. Better yet, ask if you can visit a completed barrel vault barndominium to see the design in person. Second, get multiple bids. The price variation for specialized construction can be significant. One contractor might bid $40,000 more than another simply because they're less experienced with curved roofs and building an extra margin for unknowns. Third, work with an architect or designer who understands both barndominium construction and curved roof design. The engineering needs to be right, especially managing that outward thrust on the walls, and a good designer will help you maximize the visual impact while keeping costs under control. Fourth, price shop your materials. Curved metal panels, custom trusses, tie rods, and specialized components can often be sourced from multiple suppliers. Getting competitive quotes on materials can save thousands. Fifth, consider a hybrid approach. You don't need to make your entire barndominium a barrel vault. Creating one spectacular barrel-vaulted great room while using standard ceilings elsewhere gives you the wow factor at a fraction of the cost of an all-curved design. Finally, factor in the full cost, including that extra insulation surface area, interior finishes, lighting, structural engineering, and long-term maintenance. The roof is just one piece of the puzzle. Barrel roof barndominiums represent some of the most visually striking residential construction happening in 2026. They combine ancient architectural principles with modern building techniques to create homes that are genuinely unique. The curved ceiling creates a sense of grandeur and space that's hard to achieve any other way. Yes, they cost more. Expect to pay 15 to 35% premium on your roof structure, and potentially 15 to 30% more on your total build compared to a standard barndominium. For a $300,000 standard barndominium, that might mean a final cost of $345,000 to $390,000 with the barrel roof design. But for people who value architectural distinction, that premium is worth it. You're not just building a place to live, you're creating a space that inspires. Every time you walk into your great room and see that curved ceiling soaring overhead, you'll remember why you made this choice. The barndominium movement is all about freedom, flexibility, and creating living spaces that work for you instead of following someone else's template. A barrel roof takes that philosophy to the next level. It's bold, it's beautiful, and when done right, it's absolutely breathtaking. If you found this information valuable, make sure you're subscribed to this channel for more honest, detailed content about barndominiums and alternative housing. Drop a comment below and let me know whether you'd consider a barrel roof design for your build, or if you've already built one, share your experience with the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.